Hey guys, what's up? I found this new product. It's called Eggies, and what you can do with it is cook boiled eggs without having to peel the shell, because we have these little molds here, which is Eggletts, sorry, not Eggies, that they come in, and then you crack an egg in there and put it in boiling water, put the lid on, it's the lid, and then they boil away, and you can get soft boiled, hard boiled, however you like them. So, but I've had a few goes at this because I've had these for a few days, and I found that just putting the eggs in there, they tend to stick a bit. So I had one go with that, it wasn't great. Then I did another one with, coated the inside with olive oil, still about the same thing. So what I thought I'd do today, this time, is try rubbing a little bit of butter in there and see how that goes. So it may be still the same, but it's worth a go. So anyway, what you can do with these too is you can also make hard-boiled eggs or boiled eggs, but you can also put bits and pieces inside like bacon, cheese, tomato, and whatever you wish, and make like a savoury type egg. So I've got the water boiling at the moment on the stove, and when that boils we'll chuck these in. So a little while ago I was thinking I'd like to have more of a protein type of thing in my diet, and I was trying to have a lot of, well not a lot, but some boiled eggs. And I just found peeling eggs was a bit of a problem, and then you can't really tell if they're cooked or not most of the time, or how they're going. So what I'll do, and also I want to say too that I'm not endorsing these things. I'm not trying to sell them. If you are interested after you watch the video, you can always just Google Eggletts, and I'm sure something will come up. But I'm just wanting to make a little video about it because I really like these things, and I think they're a great idea. The hardest part probably about this is trying not to get a shell in there. So anyway, that's them in there. And I might put a little bit of diced bacon here, so I might put a little bit of bacon in there. I haven't tried this with putting things in there yet, so I don't know how that's going to go, but it should be alright. So now that I've got these things, they don't look pretty when they come out, but they taste and they look like boiled eggs, so I guess that's the only thing that matters, because sometimes when you peel them they don't look too pretty afterwards either. So I think this is a much better way to boil eggs, and then you can put them in salad or just eat them on their own, whatever you want to do with them. So a bit of cheese. Got some cheese in there. Got a bit of parmesan here, just already grated up. Probably not too easy to get that in there, but. And also what you can do if you like, you can actually scramble the eggs up and then put them in if you like and make like an omelette. And then you can have like a mini omelette, which I might do in another video, see how that goes. But at the moment we'll just try this one. I really just think there's a great idea, because trying to peel eggs is just such a hassle. And when you can just tip them out when they're ready, squeeze them out, and then you've got a boiled egg there already, ready to go. So anyway, that's that. A bit messy, but I'll clean that up in a minute. So that's the lids. Just screw the lids on. I'm sort of experimenting at the moment with times, like how long to put them on for. I've made a pretty good soft boiled egg, I've made a hard boiled egg, but what you can do is when you're boiling them, and once you've been leaving them in there for a little while and you think, oh, it might be about ready, you can always pull them out, which I'll show you later while we're boiling them, and just undo the lid and you can see the bottom and see how it's going. So anyway, that's our eggies ready, and just we'll wait a few minutes for this water to boil and then I'll pop them in the pot. Okay, we're back now. I've cleaned up a little bit while I was waiting for the water to boil, so now I'm going to get the eggies and put them in the pot, see how they go. Let them boil away for a while, just give them a few minutes and then we'll check them out and see how they're going. And get back to the next bit. So guys, the eggies I think seem to be ready, so I'll take them out of the pot, just whack them on the bench here. What I've done while we were waiting, just to test one out, was to make sure they were cooked. So I've taken one out of the mould and it doesn't seem to have cooked too bad. It's quite nice. If you like sort of not too hard eggs, that's sort of in between. So I can take them all out. If one's cooked, they should all be cooked. Now when I took this one out, I did find, now I've been using the butter with them in the inside to coat it, that it actually did work better. That's the best of the lot. So what you can do too is, if you're not sure if they're cooked, you can always take one out and just open it up and have a little bit of a look and press it. That feels a bit runny only because of the cheese in there, but if that was just the egg, which I did before, you can see the yolk and you can feel it if it's hard, if it feels watery or it looks runny, and if you tip it, of course it's going to just tip anyway, runny up. So if you want to check them out like that, then if they're not cooked, you just whack the lid back on and put them back in the water and everything's cool. So let's see. Well, I might as well leave the lid off that one, I suppose. So what I do is just put them on there, on the plate, and a little bit of a squeeze all around. See if they come out. One, that is actually the best one I've done so far. This is my third go with these things, and just rubbing that bit of butter on the inside has made a world of difference. So now that just pops straight out almost. That's fantastic. I love it. That's the best eggs I've made so far. When I did it with it on their own with no coating inside and with olive oil, because they stuck, they didn't look much like eggs, but these are looking fantastic. So like I said, I'm not trying to sell these things, I'm just doing a little YouTube video because I think they're fantastic. And this is my first video on sort of cooking stuff, and I'm planning in the future on doing, well, not great, but it's okay, doing a few videos on meals and cooking things. And if I found any gadgets like this, I'll let people know and have a go at using them. But this, I'll be making salads and everything in summer, and I'll be once again putting eggs in them, because I never do, because I get tired of, or a bit fed up with trying to peel eggs. It's not an easy job. So that's a good little tip there. Use butter to coat it. That's probably one of the best ones yet. Anyway guys, if you like the video, press the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, and then when I post other things, you'll get notifications to let you know. And also, if you want to leave a comment about it, tell me what you think. I think they're fantastic, but like I said, if you want to buy some, I've found them, I bought these for $12 and I've seen them from $20 and under, so they're not really an expensive item, and they can save you a lot of hassle and a lot of time, and I love them. So anyway, Subscribe to the channel if you like it and leave a comment, and I'll be happy to hear your comments about these egglets. They're called egglets. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for watching.